Welcome to my channel. Today we're making slime. We need cups, bowls, spoons, shaving cream, glue, and activator. We'll try one recipe first. We'll open the glue to put it in the bowl.
That's enough. What are you doing?
Shake the shaving cream.
Until it's nice and foamy.
It's ready.
Not yet. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Now what do you do?
Push it in. Uh-oh.
You need help?
Wait,
What are you doing now?
put shaving cream.
Okay. You need more than that. You're gonna need more than that.
Yucky.
Alright, up. Now what do you do next?
Mix.
Okay.
Let's start. Exciting.
Tell everybody what you're doing.
Mixing in my video.
Mixing.
You gotta mix into the shaving cream and glue is together.
What are you doing?
Putting activator. This teaspoon of activator, then put it in the mixture.
Okay.
Mix. It looks like spider webs. Mommy, it looks like spider webs now. It looks like spider webs now. Ew. Mix. Ah! I touched it. Mommy, I love it.
So what are you doing now?
Mixing.
Is it gooey yet?
Yeah.
Lift your spoon up. Whoa. Okay. Keep going.
Mix.
Can you lift your spoon up again? Whoa.
Keep mixing.
You gotta?
You gotta put more activated
Until?
It doesn't stick to your hands and need more.
What are you doing now?
Mixing again.
Did you do the touch test yet? Can you touch it yet? Does it still stick to your fingers?
No.
Try it.
No.
In the middle.
This is how you know that your slime is ready. It's not coming out. making it like a ball. I'm making it like a pink. I'm playing with my slime. Color to the slime. We just use. We grab a paintbrush and then use paint. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Get some more paint. Oops. Now mix your slime up.
It's not red. It's not pink yet. This is Amira's adventure. Please. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thumbs up. Get more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.